Life is a game of boomerangs.
Believe that.
And whatever you throw to somebody else is coming right back to you. Always remember the golden rule. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Want for others the things that you want for yourself. When you see somebody else succeeding in life, congratulate them. And one day, someone will be congratulating you. I dare you to try it. That has been one of the biggest lessons in my life. The more love that I give to others, the more love gets shown to me. The more I appreciate others, the more appreciation comes to me. In this world, you have to give before you get. And there's a lot of people that feel entitled that they should have things, but don't give anything. Don't be one of those people. Today, start where you are. It doesn't have to be a lot. And giving doesn't always have to be money. You can give your service. You can give a hug. You can give love. You can give appreciation. You can give a kind gesture. We're all in service to each other. And as long as we're giving that thing called LOVE, we are living life the way it is intended to be.